Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you accidentally deleted Ethernet, Wi-Fi or network adapter driver, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So open Microsoft Edge and then you can search for, let's say, the brand of your computer and then drivers. I have an Asus computer, so I'm searching for Asus drivers. If you have a Dell, HP or Lenovo computer, then you can go to the respective website. Go to the Asus Download Center website and then type the model number here, which is in my case is FA507RE. Okay, and then click on this and then go to drivers and tools, and then you can go to the drivers and tools section. Now download the Realtek LAN driver. Okay, now click on save as and save it to a good location, and once it is saved to that location, you can like this one has been saved to this location, right click on it and copy it and then go and paste it at a different location. Okay, I mean in the sense that you can paste it to an external drive. Why am I saying that paste it to an external drive? So that you could copy and send it to a different computer, because see, if the internet is not working on your computer, you'll have to download it on a different computer, shift it to a pen drive, then bring it back to your computer and then double click on it to install the LAN drivers on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.